This is not recommended for the faint-hearted.
Toys for you.
Hi guys, and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we will have our beautiful Elsa from Frozen, and this is at the request of AllGamer42 and Artin. So guys, for you all and especially for those two requests, let's check out and see what she does. Okay, so we have movement for the wheel beneath, we have movement for the feet, and we also have the movement of the arms. Now let's remove Elsa, gently of course. Okay, and now what we have is basically the machine and our doll. For Elsa, take a look here, we have one fixed leg and the other one, look what happens. Basically, the machine does this. Okay, now we will see how this mechanical movement is achieved. When legs are pressed, hands are wide open. Oh, okay. I always forget where I put this. Amazing toy. Now let's see how it's done. This is not recommended for the faint-hearted. Okay. Removing Elsa's head. Let's check out what happens in the upper part. Beautiful. These are very clever levers. See, when the legs are apart, hands are nice near the body, and when I do this to the legs, the hands are wide apart. Now we have seen the mechanical movement. It's time to check out what happens here. Whew. Looks like we have quite a puzzle here. Let's turn it on and see. Okay, where is the on-off button? Check out. Now let's figure out how things work. Well, basically this white wheel here is moving the wheel beneath. This one. Okay? So the white gear is moving the wheel beneath. Now we have these movements, these two, that are corresponding to the movement of the feet. Look, if I do this, and we have this coil that keeps things in tension, then we have the movement of the legs. Look. See? Pretty nice. And very clever also. Also the wheels, the wings are moving because of this. When this whole plate is coming up, then the wheels are pushed and they move like this. Well, I think this is it. Certainly it's very smart and very nice done. This is a toy from Didai. And what we can also see is that the wheels don't have any motor, they just turn because of the traction of the wheel beneath. Yeah, kind of cool, don't you think? I wish I could say comment, but you can't comment to this clip. So you should be clever and see where you can comment. Guys, this is for now. This is it for now. And wish me luck so we can put it back. What did we learn? Well, we learned that you have to be really careful when you take something apart so you can then be able to put it back. What next? Well, we found out that some toys engineers are very clever, you know, they use levers and gears in very smart ways. So you should watch these clips and who knows, maybe you will become a toy engineer. Who knows? The sky is the limit. Also, guys, smash that like button because you can comment. Let me know that you like this. And what else? Yeah, Elsa is very well. Yep. And also the base is well. Okay. Okay, I will put it back here gently as usual. Come on, come on. Yep. Wings, wheel beneath, feet and hands. Guys, love you all. Like that clip, this clip I mean. And see you in the next one. Mwah!
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying...